Did you know that blind people can dream that in York you can kill a Scot with a crossbow? That there are only 28 legal hairstyles in North Korea? We'll show you everything worth knowing.
20 handy uses for toothpaste that have nothing to do with your teeth. Have you ever realized there are plenty of useful things you could do with toothpaste apart from brushing your teeth with it? Giving them a perfect white appearance, healthy insides, and your mouth fresh breath? There's so much more to toothpaste than meets the eye, and a beautiful white smile is only the tip of the iceberg. Number 1. Remove scuffs from shoes. It's not too great when you nick your expensive leather shoes, but toothpaste can help you with that. Just rub a little of it over the scuff using a soft cloth and wipe clean with a damp cloth. The leather will look as if it just came out of the shoe store. 2. Clean piano keys. Using simply toothpaste, an old toothbrush, and a damp cloth as a follow-up, make your piano keys clean and shiny again. Since they are made of ivory, which is basically elephant's teeth, it's logical that toothpaste helps. Unexpectedly perhaps, toothpaste can also help clean the modern piano keys made of plastic. So feel free to try cleaning those up too. Number 3. Clean sneakers. It's very easy to get the rubber outer part of your sneakers dirty, but a little toothpaste and an old toothbrush can help clean this up too. Just scrub the toothpaste and wipe it clean with a little water on a cloth. Just pay attention to use a non-gel kind of toothpaste. Number 4. Clean the clothes iron. A non-gel kind of toothpaste can help clean the clothes iron as well. It's mildly abrasive, and it can get the gunk off the bottom surface of the iron by scrubbing. Always scrub the cold iron with a rag and rinse clean. Number 5. Polish a diamond ring. A little toothpaste on an old toothbrush can make your diamond ring shine again. Always clean the residue off your ring with a damp cloth after polishing your ring and enjoy its renewed sparkle. Number 6. Deodorize baby bottles. It's inevitable for baby bottles to gradually start smelling of sour milk. Toothpaste can easily help you get rid of the odor. Scrub the bottle and make sure you rinse it thoroughly before reusing it. Number 7. Prevent goggles from fogging. Goggles are used for a variety of purposes, such as scuba diving, skiing, or even woodworking, and they may work against you if they are fogged. To prevent that from happening, a little toothpaste should be applied to the glass, and once you get a thin coat of paste over it, the problem should be solved. Just wipe off the paste residue before putting the goggles back on, and the problem is prevented. Number 8. Prevent fogged bathroom mirrors. The same goes for bathroom mirrors, which also tend to fog after taking a warm shower or bath without an air outlet. Coat the mirrors in a thin layer of non-gel toothpaste and wipe it off before another hot shower. You'll be surprised to find your non-fogged mirror after the shower. Number 9. Shine the chrome of your bathrooms and kitchens. If you have no bathroom and kitchen chrome cleaner at hand, non-gel toothpaste can also come in handy. It's also made with mild abrasive, which can make your surfaces shine. Simply smear on the toothpaste and polish it with a soft, dry cloth. Number 10. Clean the sink of your bathroom. Non-gel toothpaste can do the same for bathroom sinks as well. Scrub some on with a sponge and rinse it out. The toothpaste will also help with the odor coming from the drain trap, which is definitely another reason to try this. Number 11. Remove crayon from walls. Parents with small children have certainly encountered this problem plenty of times. If your kids have played painters and decorated your walls in crayon, just squirt a bit of non-gel toothpaste on your wall and use a rag or scrub brush to remove it from the wall. Finally, rinse the wall with some water. Number 12. Remove stains from lipstick and ink. Depending on the fabric and the type of ink, toothpaste may or may not help, but it's worth a try. Put some non-gel toothpaste on the stain and rub the fabric together and see what happens. If it doesn't work the first time, try again. It may take a few times, but the ink or lipstick may gradually come off. Number 13. Remove watermarks from furniture. I'm sure you own coasters, but do you really use them? Water stains your furniture, so use some non-gel toothpaste and rub the circular marks with a soft cloth. Wipe it off with a damp cloth and leave it to dry before polishing it. Number 14. Remove beach tar. It's easy to remove black beach tar off your feet with non-gel toothpaste. Rub it and rinse. It should come right off. Number 15. Clear up pimples. Use some non-gel, non-whitening toothpaste and dab it to a pimple, and it should dry before the morning comes because it dehydrates the pimple and absorbs oil. Sensitive skin might be irritated, so be cautious. Number 16. Get rid of smelly hands. Toothpaste doesn't necessarily deodorize just your mouth. It may do the same to your hands. They will smell great after washing them with toothpaste. Number 17. Stop bug bites from itching. Some toothpaste on a bug bite will end the itching sensation. It will also cool down some light burns. Just dab some toothpaste on your skin and wait for a while. Number 18. Remove carpet stains. Rub some toothpaste into the carpet stain using a toothbrush or sponge. Rinse with water and repeat if necessary until the stain comes out. Number 19. Clean foggy headlights. If your headlights have fogged, you can make them look better by putting toothpaste onto a sponge and scrubbing them. When finished, wipe the toothpaste off with a damp cloth. Number 20. Remove small scratches from mobile phone screens. If there are some scratches on your telephone screen, just rub some toothpaste on them and it will reduce the scratchy look of your screen.